I'm back. I survived. And something was waiting on me, but we'll get to that in a minute. As some of you know, Sergey and I have been trying to find someone to help us develop an entirely new BB machine gun for a very long time. We found someone about a year ago. His name is Ruslan. Here he is pictured with the creator of the Drozd on his graduation day with a firearms engineering degree. Now, I'm not going to try to pronounce his name, so Ruslan, how do you pronounce it?
Валерий Черепанов.
Ruslan has a business partner, and his name is Mikhail. He's an absolute whiz when it comes to machining. They're both pictured here. And their business is saper-custom. I'm sure you've heard of it by now. But I will go ahead and link that in the description below. And how we all came together is enough content for an entire other video. The Drozd has always been a Franken gun from inception. It shares many parts with its predecessor, the Makarov MP654 CO2 pistol. This presented me with many challenges in finding the absolute limits of the platform with Sergey's and many others' help. In doing so, we discovered many ways to modify and improve the Drozd to force it to do things it never was intended to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,000 rounds a minute. See how it functions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the first proof of concept design. It's basically a sealed valve body. A solenoid is screwed into the back. This design eliminates several problems I had to overcome with the Drozd. Because it is sealed, there is zero air loss, and it does not use a barrel seal. It also eliminates any alignment problems between the solenoid and valve. This design is also more efficient and provides greater velocities when compared to a fully modified Drozd. With that success under our belt, it was time to get to work on the most challenging part of the project, the hopper. This is the first working prototype hopper. In this torture test, you may remember, I hot glued an 8K Sergey's board to the top of the frame and zip tied a huge 6S pack with a 45C rating to the side. Now circling back around to the first image I showed you in this video, we've reached the production phase of this project, albeit somewhat unconventional. To explain, I need to backtrack a bit. One of the stipulations for our project was that it had to be modular. This idea was born from the success and popularity of the AR-15. Let's face it, we all probably know at least one person who builds ARs. I wouldn't be surprised if you're that person. How many people do you know who build BB machine guns? Our mission is to provide a high-performance air machine gun the customer can build and modify themselves with bolt-on parts. This is the production receiver module. Each one is numbered. The one I put together is number 5, pictured with a stock barrel. If you want to see what is inside one of these, they are for sale. Ruslan floated these to me for basically production cost. It's my responsibility to sell these and split any profit, which will go directly back into development on both ends. They will also come with a 400mm smoothbore barrel. If you're a little confused about modules, I'm referring to housings for batteries and the circuit board, as well as a trigger module. We're actually closer than you may think. Ruslan already has a fully working prototype. Do you see the receiver module in the images? Now are you getting excited? This is the BB machine gun to end all BB machine guns, and I have the first 9 receiver modules available. Do you want to own a piece of history? Do you want to help us make history? If so, I will leave a PayPal link in the description. Every little bit helps, and thank you in advance. Please share this video with people you think it will interest, and don't forget to visit the old BB Machine Gun forum where I will be posting again as Parallax. I will also leave that link in the description below, as well as my email address. And of course, this video wouldn't be complete without me showing you the gun in action.